Have you ever wondered why our eyes automatically close when we sneeze? What do our eyes have to do with sneezing? Well, when dust, perfume, or any strange particles enter our nose and cause irritation, Allah has designed our brain to react instantly. The brain immediately sends an alert saying, "These things can harm the body, get rid of them." And that's when we let out a powerful sneeze to expel those harmful particles from our system. But why do our eyes close? Because it's a natural defense. To prevent those dirty particles from entering our eyes during the sneeze. That's how perfectly Allah has designed us. And that's why, after sneezing, we should say, Alhamdulillah, all praise is due to Allah.